In this video, we show how to fix a null reference exception in C#. Today we're looking at one of the most common errors you might encounter in C# development, the null reference exception. Let me break this down for you in a way that's easy to understand. Null in C# is synonymous with empty. You can think of objects that are null as something that is empty or not really there yet. When you try to access something that isn't there, the computer doesn't know what to do and can no longer proceed. Let's see an example. I have some code in a simple console application here that is unsafe and will cause an issue. The code is just creating some objects and then later on calling the function off of those objects to determine the type. I'll run the application now so you can see the exception. Here's what's going on. 1. We create a variable y and explicitly set it to null. 2. Then we try to call the getType method on this null value. 3. And boom, our application crashes with a null reference exception. Because we cannot call the getType function off of an object that is null, we get the issue. To fix this issue, we need to figure out which way to proceed. We either shouldn't try to call that getType function if the object is null, or we should ensure that value is never null. Let's go with the null check approach for this example. Wrap the line of code with an if statement that ensures the value of y is not null before attempting to execute. Let's run the application again to ensure there is no more exception. Perfect, no more errors. Thanks for watching.